In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quantity option on Shopify, a crucial step for enhancing your customers' shopping experience and potentially boosting your sales. Setting up this feature allows customers to easily select the number of items they wish to purchase right from the product page. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring every step is crystal clear. First, we're going to look at how you can manage this through product variants. Start by logging into your Shopify admin area. Once logged in, navigate over to the Products section and then click on All Products. From here, choose the specific product you want to modify. Now, scroll down until you find the Variants section. If you currently don't have a quantity option set up, you'll want to click Edit Options. Here, you can add a new option named Quantity. This is where you'll input each quantity level you wish to offer. For instance, you might have options like 1, 2, 5, or even 10. Once you've added the different quantity levels, remember to save your changes. This method is particularly effective if you want to manage specific inventory levels for different quantities or provide bulk discount options for larger purchases. Now, let's explore another method using theme customization. This route can be even more straightforward if your Shopify theme supports it. Again, start from your Shopify admin page, this time heading to the Online Store section. Click on Themes, and once you're there, choose to customize your current theme. This will take you to the customization interface. Here, navigate to the product page layout. Once you're on the product page editor, look for an ad block option and see if there's a quantity selector available. This is often found in modern themes and can be a great quick addition. If your theme already includes a built-in quantity selector, you might just need to adjust some settings. But make sure this option is enabled within the product page settings, then adjust any other preferences you might have, such as alignment or style, to fit your brand's look and feel. Don't forget to save your changes once you're satisfied. Both methods are efficient, but your choice depends on how much control you need over product variations and the capabilities of your current theme. Adding a quantity selector not only improves the user experience, but can also encourage customers to purchase more items at a time, boosting your sales figures. By following these steps, you're making your Shopify store more user-friendly and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you optimize your Shopify storefront. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below.